Hey, Dance Fitsugar, Frank Soares here, and today we have a 10-minute Broadway-inspired cardio workout for you. We're gonna be taking center stage through all the eras of Broadway. The lights are hot, I'm ready to go. Are y'all ready to go?
Oh yeah.
Maestro, take it away. All right, keep those knees soft. We're gonna step on the left foot and conduit out. 6. Very precise. Arms come to prayer. Take it down in a lunge. Up. Squeeze. Up. Cross behind. Touch. Radio City Rocket. Hey. Lines. Other side goes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arms to prayer. Center yourself on that right leg. Cross behind. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Flick it out. Hey. Charleston goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, we know this step, right?
It's a fun one.
Yes,
I love it. The head bobble.
Little head bobble, Charlie Chaplin. Step in front, now take it down. Take it down. That's where the fitness aspect comes in. Run. Other side goes. Now let's think, Charleston. Where could that name have possibly come from? Let's take it down. 1, 2, maybe a little Charleston, South Carolina.
There you go.
That sounds familiar, right?
Yeah.
Hey. All right, we're gonna lunge it out till the end, to the right. Last squeeze. 2 more. Give me a nice jazz pose at the end. Hit a pose. All right, dropping down in that squat, we're gonna pulse. Make sure the weight is in the heels. Everything is pulled back. Tight little grounded squat. We're visiting that swing era that took over the Broadway stage between the 1920s and the 1940s. Stay low. We're gonna start with a rock step on the right. 6. Boom. Take it forward, take it back. Stylize that rubber band feeling. Boom. It pulls and it snaps. Pull. Last one. Hey, end on that. 1, 2, ooh, I'm falling already. Got to strengthen that core. Arms up. Deep lunge. 5, 6, we're gonna start the left side now. It goes rock, step. Hey, cute song, right?
Love it, yeah.
Even bigger. Last one. End on the right. Down, up, down, up. Right degree angles with those knees. Arms up. How we doing, Lilian?
Oh, we're doing great.
Those lunges deep.
Yeah.
Chassé to the right. Back leg chases the front. Squeeze at the top. Get some height now, Suze.
I know.
I see you, Pop. Boom. We're going back to that pulse. And down, down, down. Whew. Wipe the sweat if you need to.
Thigh burn.
I feel it. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna take that rock step back. We're gonna jump up to the ceiling. We're gonna kick, 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 kick. That right leg, or sorry, that left leg is gonna kill you at the end of it.
Oh yeah, I already feel it.
But of course, we're gonna do the other side. Pop. Hey, 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 hey. Jump. Clean pictures. Line, line. Pop. Walk it out. Other side. Hey. Boom, boom. Hey. Boom, boom. How we doing? Keep going.
Burn.
Pop. Hey. Let's pulse it till the end. So close.
Broadway burn.
Broadway burn, okay? It's a thing. Look it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't got a boy, but I might after this. All right, find that Bob Fosse-inspired pose, teacup fingers, super sharp, and bend. We're gonna isolate, up, up. Fingers 1. Chest goes out. Shoulders 1. Inner thighs. Little shuffle. Frug it out. Punch. Boom. Really burn. Ha, 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 ha. Boom. 3, 4, 5, 6. Think bicep. 2, 3, 4. Roll those hips. Side, side. No bounce. And side, side. Step together. And no bounce. Tap. Take it up. Boom. Let's repeat that all. Boom. Pinch those shoulder blades back. It's all about those hips. Side. Ooh, this one's stylized.
I like it.
I love it.
6, and up. One more time. Hey. Rich man's brew. Sweet charity. Boom. Take it up. It's going right, left, up, up, down. Sharp, sharp. Ha, ha, ha. Splay those fingers. Ha, ha, ha. Knees side to side. Ha, ha, ha. Meet me in second. And pulse. All those inner thighs, y'all. Hold. Show those jazz hands, maybe. On the right. Keep breathing. And left. Can we balance, Lilian?
Oh yeah.
Hold.
Got it.
It's a burn.
Take it up. 5, 6, 7. It goes right, left, burn it till the end. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Hey. Boom. So close. Keep breathing. 5, 6, 7, 8. We've reached that new age of Broadway. In this new era, we have contemporary elements, commercial dance elements that tell us inspirational stories. Let's take it up. 1, 2, 3. Find that passe. Arms come up. Find that balance. Lift. Melt it out. Tell us that story, Lilian. Glue that foot to the inside of the knee, like Velcro. Up, 6, 7. 2 first toes. Melt it out. Take center stage. Let's rock. Hey! Hey! Step back, boom. And jump. Ha! Left side. Really punch it out. Take your weight there. Punch. 8 count. And balance. With this new age of Broadway, we have choreographers like Warren Carlyle, Sonia Taya, Casey Nicola, all telling us different stories with their movement. Find that balance. Up, 6, 7. Ooh, I'm wobbly. Up. Ooh, should feel good. Through the spine. Center stage. Here we go. Hey. Hey. Punch it out. Boom. Ha. Boom. Hey. Jump. Clap it.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey.
This is our finale almost, right? We're getting to the end of our story. We got one more today. One more time. Hey. Dancers are athletes, right?
Yep.
Boom. I feel like one. Hit that post. All right. We've reached the end. We've done it.
We did it.
We've done it.
Do it.
But we never just walk off the stage, right? We got to do our big finale. Nice unison, all right? We're going to go ball change, Splay those fingers, take the focus up. Think heroine, yeah? You've made it to the end. You're the hero of the show. We turn it around. We jump on 4. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat it down. Last little bit of fitness. Releve up. We're gonna touch on those calves. Down, take it up. So one more time, it goes 1, 2, 3. Jump it on 4. Take it 5, 6, 7, 8. Squat. Releve, squat, releve. You guys got this. Here we go. 1. Jump it. Ha. Dreamy. Squat. Up. Push. Push. Ball change. Out. Squat it out. Down. It out. You want to get that audience going, right? Shall we do some releves?
Let's do it.
Those calves haven't gotten enough love. Here we go. Squeeze. Oh, I'm feeling these, and I'll be feeling it later. We ready for that choreo, girls?
Oh, yeah.
Even stronger. Big finish. Hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump it. Make a dream. Squeeze. And boom. Jump it out. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's hit these drums, y'all. We did it, y'all. Round of applause. Round of applause. You've earned it. As we do in showbiz, take that right hand up, take a bow. Thank you so much, Dance Fitsugar. I'm Frank. Let's thank Miss Lilian over here.
Thank you, Frank.
Cast member #1 over here. And Miss Suze over here. Can't wait to dance with you all again next time. Now dance it off. Hey, hey, hey. Show must go on, y'all.